Alright guys, we're gonna go over the rebuilder knee straps. So you wanna open the knee straps up. You're gonna take the spray bottle. You wanna just get a nice little damp coat on here. You're gonna place the first one with the logo right side up, about 2 to 3 inches above the patella. Make sure the logo's right side up. You're gonna take the second one, logo upside down this time, 2 to 3 inches below the patella. You wanna make sure they're nice and snug, but not too tight. Then you're gonna take your rebuilder. You're going to plug it into each strap. And then you're slowly going to turn the dial till you feel it. So you start feeling a pulsing sensation traveling through here. Now if you have a Rebuilder 2407, you'll have the 2 knobs here to dial up the string. The Rebuilder 300 has a single on top. And we're going to do this for a half hour a day. I would like for you to do it twice a day if you can.